Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to customize the Iron Man 3 Marvel Legends series action figure from Hasbro. So ito yung mga accessories niya, the head, the alt hands, and yung mga attachments sa kanyang forearm. Here's Iron Man. So tanggalin muna natin yung head niya, lahat ng mga pieces na pwede natin tanggalin before painting. Tapos lagyan natin ng blue tack yung peg para hindi natin mabago hindi sumikip yung mga joints niya. All goods naman yung figure, very stable and walang mga loose na joints, and may mga spaces naman yung mga joints niya, so we have no problem about paint scratching or mga excuse me, mga paint na scratches. Tapos i-attach lang natin yung mga parts dun sa alligator clips para ma-sprayan na natin ng spray paint using Bosny Flat Clear. Yan. So yun yung gagamitin nating primer. Okay, done na tayo mag-apply ng Bosny Flat Clear. Yan, matte na siya. So here's the front, here's the back. And yung next step na gagawin natin, mag-apply tayo ng black wash using black acrylic paint, water-based acrylic paint mga monster from Armored Komodo water-based primer. Mag-prepare na rin tayo ng tissue para wipe off natin yung excess. Lagay lang tayo ng black wash dito. Para lang mas maging dark yung mga malalalim na areas. And then, pwede natin wipe off the excess. Okay, after the black wash, we are going to apply silver, or rather, let's use this silver for the dry brushing technique for maximum contrast. Okay, for dry brushing technique, you just need a little bit of paint on your paintbrush and drag it across the surface. In this way, you will create a more weathered look and will emphasize the structure details of the sculpt. You can drag from left to right, top to bottom, or diagonal. Okay, next step, we are going to do some light effects using this, yung turquoise tsaka white. Okay, so yung first layer natin dito sa arc reactor, pwede tayong mag-extend sa mga adjacent surfaces. You can dry brush away from the center. Habang pinapatayo natin yung mga turquoise, maglagay muna tayo ng extra weathering using sponge. Konting-konti lang para ma-break lang yung monotony ng legs. Lagay tayo dito. Okay. So here's sa knees, feet. Okay, kapag dry na yung turquoise, pwede na tayo mag-add ng white. Okay, so ganun lang din, let's dry brush from the center, working our way outward. Okay, para naman sa face sculpt, ito, we are going to add a yellow wash and a red wash. So first, yellow wash muna. Okay. And then wipe it off. Wipe the excess. And then after that, red wash. And then wipe off the excess again. Okay, we're done with the head sculpt. Okay, that's it. Ito na yung final step natin. Mag-apply na tayo ng number 1-in-1 flat clear for our top coat. Ito rin yung ginamit nating primer. And we are done with the Iron Man Mark III Marvel Legends na project natin. So, recap lang natin. Nag-spray tayo ng Bosny flat clear for our primer. And then black wash, silver dry brushing, and then arc reactor details, mga light effect natin sa repulsors. Ayan, dito. And sa chest and sa eyes. So, yun yung ginawa natin. After that, nag-apply tayo ng while the turquoise color is drying, naglagay tayo ng black na paint using sponge technique para makapag-add ng weathering. So here's the finished figure, finished custom repaint. So here's the front. Ayan, lapit natin ang front. There's the front, the side, and other side, and the back. Okay. There's the feet, bottom of the feet, the legs, okay? And here's the additional accessories, the head, alt hands, and the missile part of na pwedeng i-attach sa kanyang arm, and then yung arm cover niya. So that's it. Lalagay na lang ako ng mga images at the end of the video. So mas close up pa yung face, Tony Stark. Okay. That's it, Mom, Sir. Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.